back out on the porch again. This house was built in 1915. It's really old. It has old crumbling steps here. There's weeds all around the house. But the yard's been mowed too. This is along the driveway. There's some old water pump here. So the water's on, electricity's on. Satellite dish. I won't be needing that. I have Wi-Fi out here. This is the old garage. It has a new door, fairly new door, and it has new siding on it, cement board siding, which is very fire resistant. Here's the electric meter. In the back patio. This is the laundry room of the house that was added on later. I don't know what year. But the floor slopes a little bit. Has a low step. I may have to replace this side of the house or fix it somehow, because it's not well insulated. Neighbors have their lights on way over there. Not much out this way. This yard is dark. And I hear a barn door squeaking. I have an outbuilding. This is some kind of chicken house or something out here. Some fence falling down. Where the squeaking noise is coming from. Not sure what that is. Either a gate or the door. Neighbors on the other side have their light on. Here's the back of my property. Looks like a deer has been here. The back of the detached garage. Garage with some stuff still left in it, I can see. and a back door that needs to be painted. Something flew out. Just flew out at me. I don't know whether it was hovering in the air. I don't know whether it was a bird or a bat. But there's a space. A space up here needs to be closed above the laundry room.